Hey guys, just want to show you real quick. So remember I was talking about those little pie cutouts, the layout I had? So that's it. So here, I already bent this section. I don't know if you can tell. Like right here, you got a baker gap, but that's okay because you're a welder, you could weld. As long as it doesn't go over 1 foot wide, you should be able to weld it. Just kidding, guys. But yeah, there's a gap there, but it doesn't matter. So what I did, I cut out that pie. See how on this side is real smooth? That's what I wanted. I didn't want to put no weld here and there. I'm gonna put my phone down. Hopefully you guys should be able to see how I bend it. See if you guys could see. So all I did, I grabbed it and I put some pressure on it. And for the bottom one, it's smaller. So you just gotta kind of hit it. And there it is, guys. Can you guys see it? So this is gonna be the rack. I'm gonna make 3 of those. I'll show you where it goes. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's gonna go there, guys. Can you guys see it? Can you guys see that? So I think it's gonna come out pretty good, guys. What do you guys think? See those bends? See how I bent that? That looks smooth right here. I mean, you could cut pieces, but you could just cut those pies out. Cut those pies out and just bend it. You guys see that? So I'm gonna make 3 of them and weld them. Put the angle on top of the bed, and there's gonna be another section coming out. Holding. There's gonna be 3 sections, so I'm gonna put 1 cross or 2 cross members going here. One here and one down here to make it stronger. So thank you guys for watching.